The content of this video is reliable and effective. Radio frequency signal and direction finding for the detection and location of unmanned aerial vehicles, signal jammers, or interference sources. In drone attack defense, one of the most important topics in today's defense security and military aviation technologies, control is the most important component of mission success in dense unknown frequencies and complex electromagnetic environments. Control over electromagnetic fields, frequencies, interference, and jamming signals. Control over the mission, which is the sum total of all these. To become a successful anti-drone expert, the first step is to become proficient in military-grade RF and EMF measurement systems. This radio frequency and electromagnetic frequency signal tracking and positioning expertise includes real-time signal spectrum monitoring, high-speed jamming detection, and technologies for locating the direction of jammers despite attempts to jam drone signals. The priority is to detect radio signals, analyze the detected signals, and ultimately determine the drone's location and, if present, the jammer signal generator. Today, precision sensor technology, which is extremely important in frequency analysis, has the capacity to detect changes in an increasingly complex radio spectrum in real time and without gaps. This makes such real-time spectrum analyzer devices an excellent tool for tracking and positioning. First, it detects signals in real time, quickly evaluates them, and determines their locations. Why is this so important? Because modern technologies such as the Internet of Things, IoT, machine-to-machine, M2M, or vehicle-to-vehicle, C2C communication, and rapidly expanding mobile networks such as 4G and 5G also use the same frequency ranges. The source of danger is enemy drones, and the earlier you can detect the interference signals from today's technological devices that use similar frequencies, the faster you can initiate countermeasures. The four most important points for success in this technology are as follows. 1. Detecting weak signals with exceptional sensitivity. 2. Finding the direction of the enemy drone accurately and precisely for correct positioning. 3. Using external antenna options that can be mounted quickly and easily without tools on the roof of a vehicle, tripod, or antenna pole. 4. Using an RF device that enables you to recognize even the weakest signals in the presence of strong signals and not confuse them with the signals of a normal receiver, as explained by the term high dynamic range, abbreviated as HDR. To watch videos on these and similar technological topics, you can subscribe to our channel.